Hi friends, we have a buying opportunity on Asian Paints. There are 2 to 3 reasons to consider Asian Paints as a buying idea. I will explain them a little later. After making a lower low, lower high pattern for the past 2 weeks, which indicates bearishness, it looks like Asian Paints have found a very short term bottom in place. After making a lower low and a lower high pattern for the past 2 weeks, it looks like Asian Paints has found a short-term bottom in place. A short-term bottom in place. And this is the first reason to buy Asian Paints. A double bottom formation right at this level of support. Secondly, when we look at the RSI for the most recent lows, this, this, and this are the most recent lows. When we look at the RSI for the most recent lows, we have a clear divergence. We have a clear divergence which suggests possible buying interest emerging at this level of support. Let me change the color of support into blue. Okay, that is the second reason to go along on Asian Paints. Thirdly, we have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right at the support. A bullish engulfing pattern. This is a bullish engulfing pattern which indicates bullish momentum or positive momentum. We have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern at this support level which indicates a possible loss in seller's momentum. A possible loss in seller's momentum. So now we have identified a buying opportunity on Asian Paints. Next, let's determine where to take our trades. Once we have identified a buying opportunity, the next step is to determine where to take our trades. To take a trade, we need a higher high closing at a support level on a lower time frame, say a 1 hour chart in our case. Right now we are on the 4 hour chart. Let's drop down to a 1 hour chart to spot our higher high closing. This is the higher high closing which we are looking for. So once we have our higher high closing, next step is to mark our support, mark our targets and stop losses and the point where we need to take our trades. So let's do that. We need to take our trades right at this level for our first target at this point and a stop loss just below the most recent low. Our most recent low is this point, so stop loss should be slightly lower than the most recent low. This is our first target. Our second target comes all the way up into this level with a stop loss placed the stop loss at this point, slightly below the most recent low. Now let's see how this trade plays out.